How to force bypass the Microsoft account creation during the Windows 11 setup process. Method 1. The very first thing you need to do is press Shift plus F10.
Now, if you're on a laptop, it might be Shift plus Fn plus F10. This will bring up the command prompt.
Next, type regedit and press Enter. That's going to open the registry editor.
Now, inside the registry editor, navigate to this path.
HKEY_local_machine. Software. Microsoft. Windows. Current version. OOBE. Once you're in the OOB folder, right-click on the empty white space. Select New DWORD, 32-bit, value. Name it BypassNRO and hit Enter. Now double-click that new entry, and change the value data to 1. Click OK, and then close the registry editor window. At this point, you need to disconnect from the internet. So, back in command prompt, type npa.cpl and press Enter. That's going to open the network settings. Right-click on your active network and select Disable.
Close the window once it's disabled. Now, back in command prompt, type the restart command. That's shutdown, space, /R, for restart. Then space, /T, and the number 1 meaning 1 second. Hit Enter and your computer will restart immediately. When it comes back on, you'll go through the setup process again. Choose your region, select your keyboard layout, click Next. And now you'll notice it says you're not connected to the internet. And importantly, you'll see the option, I don't have internet. Click that, and you're through. Method 2. Again, press Shift plus F10 to bring up the command prompt.
Now type this command carefully. Start mscxh // local only, and press Enter. When you run this, it opens a window where you can create a new user for this PC. So, type in your username. I won't set a password here, but you can add one if you want. Click Next, and you're done. And that's it, you've now bypassed the Microsoft account requirement in Windows 11 with 2 different methods.